Want to know how I turned my Etsy shop from nothing into a thriving business, making $100,000 in sales? Here's my journey. I began with no prior experience, but I had a passion for creating handmade jewelry. I focused on high-quality products and branded my shop. The first steps: I created unique products, set up a professional shop optimized for SEO, and researched pricing. The first $1,000 came from gaining visibility through Instagram promotions and customer reviews. Biggest challenges: standing out in a crowded market, learning marketing, and managing my time effectively. To scale to $100,000, I diversified my offerings, automated processes, engaged customers, and built a cohesive brand. Key factors: quality products, effective marketing, customer satisfaction, and continuous learning. For managing finances, I tracked expenses, reinvested profits, managed margins, and set financial goals. My advice: start small, invest in marketing, stay consistent, and prioritize customer satisfaction. The biggest lesson: success doesn't happen overnight. Consistent effort leads to a thriving Etsy shop.